Isolation at the Coast General Hospital in a suspected case of the virus. The patient, a medical student from Southern Medical University in Guangzhou, arrived in the country on Thursday. Reports say that her blood samples have been sent to Nairobi for analysis. This is the second Kenyan to be quarantined after another was cleared of the virus in Nairobi last week. Our reporter in Mombasa, Kevin Mutai, brings us the latest. Kevin, how did the news break?
Well, of course, indeed, that is very true with the suspected case of coronavirus here in Mombasa. The first case reported so far here in the region, and the patient is currently in stable condition and at the ward here, the Coast Provincial General Hospital. And we're informed by the officials here at the hospital that nobody, not even the family members, are allowed to visit the patient because the entire ward has been strictly cordoned off with, of course, only the doctor and nurses assigned to Shukri visiting her. But we're informed that she's in stable condition and the doctors are waiting for blood samples to be brought back from Nairobi tomorrow so that they can be able to ascertain and, of course, administer proper medication. But, of course, they're on top of the matter. And again, we're also receiving reports. I don't know, this is we've not verified this, but there are also reports of two more suspected cases of these crew members of a cargo vessel that arrived at the port of Mombasa from China. But, of course, we are seeking more clarification from the health officials here in Mombasa. But what we know so far is that only one at the CPGH and tight or rather strict. She's currently under the strict. She's currently being watched by the doctors at the facility. Nobody has been allowed in, and of course the officials. We are hoping that they'll be able to speak on to the matter as soon as the results arrive from the Nairobi. But of course, also as you can see, the hospital is busy. But as I said earlier, nobody is allowed to go inside there. So we're still following up on this matter, or even two other cases that, of course, if you can see on social media, in WhatsApp, of course, also there are two more suspected cases at the JKI, that is Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, and of course also the two patients have been isolated and are currently being treated. All those cases, Olive will be following up on the issue, and of course we'll be updating our viewers on the issue of coronavirus from here in Mombasa.